Hi guys, today I'm going to show you some of the best browsers for your PC. So the first is Microsoft Edge. Uh, so I'll leave the links in the description. So yeah, an idea. So Microsoft Edge is actually what I'm using right now. So yeah, it has stuff like Microsoft Smart Screen, and I think and and it apparently also has like a built-in Honey. Sorry, this is not an ad for Honey, but okay. So and it also has kids. Yeah. So I'll leave the direct download link. This is Microsoft Edge, which is actually the most chosen one. So there's a new Firefox update which has a new UI. This is locally Firefox. Yeah, it has. This is Firefox is actually not Chromium based, so it isn't. So data isn't shared with Google. Yeah, it has some customization options. Its own add-ons thing. addons.mozilla.org. So it's pretty cool. It's really secure. Yeah, Vivaldi is a super customizable browser. It has a bunch of settings. I don't know if you can see this, but it has general, appearance, themes, start page, tabs, panel, address bar, bookmark, quick commands, keyboard, mouse, search, privacy, download, sync, web page, network, and display all. Display all isn't a setting, it's just like everything everything in the settings packed into one tab. So now we'll get out of this. So yeah, it has some stuff. It has a game called Vivaldi, I think. Okay, so yeah, Vivaldi. Let's go. Oh, so yeah, this is a motorcycle game. Really cool. I you should play this once in your life. It's cool. I I just suck. Okay, so it's also secure. If I go onto YouTube, it says it's blocking trackers, free ads blocked. So yeah, that's it for Vivaldi. Yeah. Um, yeah, it has this. It's also a very customizable browser with cryptocurrency. So if I go, so here's a test. Here's how to test. Here's my test on the ad blocker. If I go to CNN.com, which is the newspaper for US, it blocks all these ads. And if I click on this, I can get more information on it using advanced view or simple view. Simple view is fine for people who are not tech savvies, but yeah, I recommend simple view. You can also turn off ad blocking completely, and there are actually absolutely no ads. So I think it's blocking trackers. If I go over here in cookies, okay, now on the home page, new tab thing, it has this privacy thing, and you can also click customize to add widgets and stuff. With stats, if I turn this off, it won't show that, but I like this. Top sites, favorites, yeah, I recommend you choose that. Brave news, you can enable or disable that. So then you can add clock. Okay, I'd really recommend getting all of this on so you never lose track. So that's it for Brave. Yeah. But so next up in line is Opera. Opera is a multi-purpose browser for like day-to-day browsing. Yeah. Okay, so I'll go back to the home page. As you can see, I get all this news and stuff. I get bookmarks, for example, games up, and um, okay, yeah. So it has all these cool things like bookmarks, history, and extensions. It has some nice animations when I click on it. Here's the settings menu. It has some stuff like basic and advanced. I'm just going to really scroll through this. Uh, Alright, it also has a lot of customization features like Vivaldi, for example, wallpapers. Yeah, that's pretty much the only thing it has. Sorry. So Opera is again a really simple browser, and I'd really recommend it to you for day-to-day browsing. Yeah. So Tor is okay. Next up is Tor, which is actually the last of this list because it is really private, but it's all really slow because okay. So here's an explanation about Tor. Tor has this thing called the Tor network, in which is basically in seven servers in which your data is passed through. So if I search TikTok, it says you are being redirected to the non-JavaScript site. And if I go to all regions, okay, yeah, whatever. That's not an explanation. So what Tor does is it passes your browser data to servers in different countries. So basically, it's really private but slow. It's private because it's passed through several networks. Nobody can find out your location and stuff. But it's slow because it takes time to pass all your data through those servers. So this is the absolute worst for day-to-day browsing. Another thing that I've another thing that I found is it's based on the same uh, library that Firefox is, because this is literally the same as Firefox. Like, it even has support for addons.mozilla.org. Like, okay, so yeah, that was a brief explanation of Tor. Yeah, bye guys. Have a great day.